Dear all, welcome to my channel Biology Notes. Today I will discuss about the general concept and classification of tissues in human body. Contents of the video include general overview, basic types of tissues, brief concept on various types of tissues. The cells in the body of the multicellular animals vary in structure and function. It is seen that one variety of cell performs one kind of work and constitutes one type of tissue. So, a tissue may be defined as an aggregate of same type of cells combined by subserving the same general function independently and united by varying amounts of intercellular substance. Cells within tissues communicate through specialized intercellular junctions. The tissue concept provides a basis for understanding and recognizing the many cell types within the body and how they interrelate. Despite the variations in general appearance, structural organization, and physiologic properties of the various body organs, the tissues are classified into four basic types. They are epithelium or epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle or muscular tissue, and nerve or nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue. In this tissue, the cells are arranged in a single layer or in multiple layers. The cells are always contiguous with one another. The cells are usually joined by specialized cell to cell junctions. The intercellular space between epithelial cells is minimal. Location. Epithelial tissue is present at a free surface. Free surfaces include the exterior of the body, the outer surface of many internal organs, and the lining of the body cavities, tubes, and ducts. The enclosed body cavities and tubes include the pleural, pericardial, and peritoneal cavities, as well as the cardiovascular system. All of these are lined by epithelium. The main functions of epithelial tissue are protection, absorption, secretion, excretion, etc. Connective tissue. In this tissue, the cells are conspicuously separated from one another. The intervening spaces are occupied by material produced by the cells. This extracellular material is called the extracellular matrix. Connective tissue is found in between other tissues everywhere in the body, including the nervous system. In the central nervous system, the three outer membranes that envelop the brain and spinal cord are composed of connective tissue. Connective tissues form a framework and support for organs and the body as a whole, store fat, transport substances, protect against disease, and help repairing of tissue damages. Muscular tissue. In this tissue, the cells are characterized by large amounts of contractile proteins actin and myosin in their cytoplasm. Most muscle cells are aggregated into distinct bundles that are easily distinguished from the surrounding tissue. Cells are typically elongated and oriented with their long axis in the same orientation. Location. Cardiac muscle cells are located in the walls of the heart and involuntary in nature. Smooth muscle fibers are located in walls of hollow visceral organs and involuntary in nature. Skeletal muscle fibers occur in muscles which are attached to the skeleton and voluntary in nature. Functions of muscle tissue include movement, maintenance of posture, respiration, heat generation, communication, pumping blood, etc. Nerve tissue. This tissue is composed of nerve cells or neurons and glial cells. In the central nervous system, there are supporting cells known as neuroglial cells. In the peripheral nervous system, the supporting cells are called Schwann cells and satellite cells. Location: nervous tissue is found in the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Functions of nervous tissue: neurons generate and carry out nerve impulses, responds to stimuli, carries out communication and integration, provides electrical insulations to nerve cells and removes debris, carries messages from other neurons to the cell body. So this is all about the general concepts on tissue in human body. In the upcoming videos, I will discuss each and every tissue with details. Like and share the video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new video. Stay with us, keep watching. Thank you.